Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to open a Starling Bank Business Account. So if you're ready to manage your business finances with Starling, then just follow along. First, download the Starling Bank app from the App Store, then open the app and tap on Open an Account. Then choose Business Account from the available account option. Next, enter your personal details and information about your business. Then, depending on your business type, Starling may ask for details such as your company registration number, business address, and information about directors or owners. You'll also be asked to verify your identity by uploading a valid photo ID and completing a quick identity check. And once you've submitted your application, Starling will review the information. And if your application is approved, your business account will be opened and you can begin using it through the app. You can then order a business debit card, receive payments, make transfer, and manage your business finances all from your phone. So that was how to open a Starling Bank Business Account. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.